Good morning, pre-KA. Mwah, lots of kisses. I miss you a lot. Now, today we're going to play a game called Same Sound. So I'm going to show you two pictures and I'm going to say the name of two pictures. And you're going to put your thumb up if it's the same sound, yes way, or thumbs down if it's not the same initial sound. No way, no way. For example, if I say banana and boat, do they both start with the same sound? Banana, boat. It would be yes way. Or if I say motorcycle, building, motorcycle, building, it will be no way. So, are you ready? Set, go. Mother, monkey. Yes or no? I don't know. I will repeat it. Mother, monkey. Yes or no? Mother monkey. Now I'm going to go to number 2. Car seal. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? I will repeat it. Car seal. Car or seal. Do they have the same sound? Thumbs up or different? Thumbs down. Let's go to number 3. Ball and boat. Does it have the same sound? Thumbs up or does not? Thumbs down. Yes way or no way? I will repeat the words. Ball, boat. Ball, boat. Let's go to the next one. Pig, dog. Pig, dog. So yes way or no way? Does it have the same sound or does it not? Are you ready to go to the next one? Ambulance, apple. Is it the same sound, thumbs up, or is it different? Thumbs down. I will repeat the words. Ambulance, apple. Ambulance, apple. And the last one. Are you ready? Cake, carrot. Cake, carrot. Thumbs up if you think that it has the same sound, or thumbs down if you think that they're different. I will repeat it one last time. Cake, carrot. Da-da-da-da. The end. Now I'm going to go back to the first one so we can check the answers together. Okay, same sound. Mom, monkey. If you did thumbs up, cool, you got 1 point. Let's go to number 2. Car and seal. If you did thumbs down, meaning that it's a different sound, you are correct. You have 2 points if you did that one, because it's car, seal. Now, the third one, ball and boat. If you chose thumbs up, you are correct, because they both start with ball, boat. Let's go to the next one. Pig and dog. If you chose thumbs down, you are correct, because pig, pig is different from dog. Let's go to the next one. Ambulance and apple. If you click thumbs up, you are correct, because it's ambulance and apple. They both start with the same beginning sound. Now the last one, cake and carrots. If you clicked or chose thumbs up, you are correct, because cake and carrot have the same beginning sound. If you got all the points, kudos to you. Pat on the back. Good job. Good job. Thank you, Mr. Brain. Now, I hope you enjoyed it. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile.